Apple's Worldwide Developer Conference back in its all-online format. Yes, that is the headline. Along with pictures of the memoji-fired Craig Federighi meme and a tiny Easter egg hinting towards something related to Macs. Kinda. Lo and behold, that's the tagline. This video is about all that you need to know about this year's Worldwide Developer Conference and what to expect in it. Let's get started. So finally, the day is here. Apple has announced the Worldwide Developer Conference for this year. And they have announced it 2 weeks late, but that's fine because we still do have it in June, and that's great. It was only 2 days ago that John and Sam from the Genius Bar podcast and Sam on the Apple Track website were talking about the Wwdc invites for this year not being out on time. And here we are today with the invites. The conferences will be held from 7th June to 11th, and the 7th June is the day we all watch the events, and the rest of the days are only for the developers. I mean, we can watch them, but we don't really need to. This event is going to be in the all-online format, which we all know and love. I really wish they stick with this forever. And students who wish to enroll in the Swift Student Challenge can now do that till the 18th of April. Basically, what this means is, as a student, you can make an unique application or program in Swift Playgrounds which would benefit the user like never before. And you have to present the idea in front of Apple. If Apple likes your concept, you will be awarded the exclusive WWDC 2021 outerwear. Following the announcement of the WWDC dates, we also got an overhaul of the developers app for iOS, iPadOS and macOS. Now let's talk about things that we can expect at this event. In the software side, we can expect iOS 15, iPadOS 15, watchOS 8, tvOS 15 and macOS 12. Now you might wonder why I'm calling this macOS 12 and not another version of 11. Now there are a few things that point towards this being 12 and not just 11. So let's talk about those. The first reason being that Apple has pushed out updates like 11.2, 11.3 this year, which would usually in a normal year be yearly updates and not monthly updates. Then, on this Monday, we got to know that the code of WebKit references iOS 15 and macOS 12, which doesn't mean too much, but we did get the number, which is 12. Also, this is pure speculation, but Apple always hints at something in their artworks, and this year, I think they have hinted towards macOS 12. I've noticed something I might as well be overthinking, and there is a good chance that I am, but have a look at the number of notifications. They are inverted, but when inverted, they kinda resemble 12. macOS 12. Get where I'm heading? Again, I'm not sure, but that just might be a hint towards macOS 12. Or maybe it's just 21 from 2021 and WWDC 21. Now let's talk about the hardware products that we can expect at this event. Starting with new iMacs, MacBook Pros, iPhone 13, iPad 9th generation, iPad Pro Plus Max XL, Apple Pencil Pro and Apple Glasses. Yeah, you heard that right. None of that is coming. I just made that up in the past 10 seconds. But jokes aside, this is more of a software-oriented event than it is hardware-oriented. And the rest of the video from now on is going to be pure speculation. So let's talk about the hardware products. I have a few interesting thoughts about what we can expect at this event. I think we can get an iMac if we don't get it at this April event, which is supposed to happen according to the leaker who lost his eyebrows because of predicting the March event incorrectly, also known as John Prosser. There's also a chance of Apple showcasing the new Mac Pro, which will come later next year or earlier next year, but just showcase the design like they did in 2019. There's also a possibility for a slightly more affordable version of the Apple Pro Display XDR. But by affordable, I really mean $700 or 70,000 rupees. That's not affordable, but it is affordable when compared to the Pro Display XDR. And if none of that, Apple might just tease the next generation of Apple Silicon for Macs, because I'm pretty sure there is something related to Macs coming in this event. There aren't really any other Apple products that even have a slight chance of coming at this event. But yeah, everything that I said in the past minute or two was pure speculation, so do not trust me on that. That's pretty much the end of the speculation and this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Can't wait for Craig Federighi to get on the stage and announce iOS 15 and for my iPhone SE, which I made myself, to get discontinued from the update chain. Also, April 4th is the 1 year anniversary from the day I made this phone. that's pretty much it for this video. I'll catch you later today in another video. Thank you for watching.